So here we have the Pedestal fan. This is a very quiet pedestal floor fan with a remote control. Oscillating at 120 degrees. Spinning with 7 blades, an 8-hour timer, and a sleep mode. Adjustable height up to 46.8 inches. This fan is loaded with tons of features. 8-hour timer. Adjustable height 90 degree tiltable fan head. 60, 90, 120 degree oscillating angle. Operating very quietly as low as 38 dB. 12 speed and turbo levels. It has a sleep mode where you could choose between 3 speeds by pressing wind speed key, quietly emitting a steady airflow from side to side to bring coolness to every corner of the room. This fan is really whisper quiet. You really hardly could tell that it's on if you're not standing in front of it and feeling the strong airflow this puts out with the 7 blades. Not only with all these features, but this fan is very good looking also, which can fit into any decor in any room throughout the home or office.